Hello students, how are you all? I hope you are perfectly fine and doing your studies at your home. Students, this is Saumitri Yadav, Assistant Teacher of Lakshmi Prasad Memorial Public School, which is situated in Gola Bazar, Gorakhpur. Students, I am here with a new online video class in which we are discussing the exercises of chapter number 3. Firstly, I will remind you once again that in the previous video lecture we have done the exercise of A, exercise of D, and the exercise of F. Now, students, in today's video lecture we are discussing question number E and also the question number G. So let's start. Students, firstly I will revise you the previous exercises which were A, D, F. Okay, so let's start. Question number A was complete the sentences with the correct options. Students, you have given sentences and also you have given options and you have to choose the right option. So first question is, Alice was getting tired of having nothing to. Your options are do or read. Okay, answer is do. Alice had never before seen a rabbit with a waistcoat pocket and a watch. Alice jumped down the rabbit hole without stopping to think how she would get out again. As she fell, Alice thought about her bats and cats. Now, fifth is, after Alice finally landed at the bottom of the well, she chased the rabbit again. Option number A is right. Now, let's move to the question number D. You have to match these words with each other and to form a word pairs. So, first one is bread. Bread is matched with the butter. Salt. Salt is matched with the pepper. Third, needle. Needle is matched with the thread. Cup. Cup is matched with the saucer. Fifth, hammer. Hammer is matched with the nail. Now let's move to the question number F. Add capital letters and full stops. Rewrite these sentences correctly in your notebook. So first one is, Alice was sitting on the river bank. So in the given sentence Alice is written in small letter, so we will cut A and write capital A and also we will put full stop at the given sentence. Second is, what is book without pictures or conversation, thought Alice. So we will cut W and write it in capital letters and after the sentence we will put full stop. Third is, Alice jumped to her feet when she saw the rabbit. So we cut the A and write it in the capital letter and after the sentence we will put full stop. Fourth is, Alice ran after the rabbit and jumped into the rabbit hole. So we cut A and also we put the full stop at the given sentence. Now the next is, she dozed off when she was falling down well. We have cut S and we have to write it in the capital letter and after finishing sentence we will put full stop. Now let's move to the question number E. Question number E is, complete these sentences in your own words. Students, you have to complete these sentences. The half sentence are given to you and you have to fill these sentences in your own words. So first one is, to have a conversation means to. Students, what is the meaning? To have a conversation means to. It means to talk with someone. To talk with someone. Second is, to mutter the oneself means to. किसी से बातें करना means utter words in a low sound. ओके, किसी से धीमे धीमे आवाज़ में बात करना. अटर साउंड्स इन अ लो साउंड. Utter words in a low sound. Now, to walk for miles means judge someone. Judge, judge. Some, someone. To walk hand in hand means to walk hand in hand means to hold each other's hand. Next, last one. To run like the wind means to run like the wind means to run very fast. So now we will do this exercise again. First one is to have a conversation means to talk with someone. To mutter to oneself means to utter words in a low sound. To walk for miles means to judge someone. To walk in hand means to hold each other's hands. To run like the wind means to run very fast. So this is the question of E. Now let's move to the question G. So what is in question number G? Students, you have to write M for masculine, F for feminine, N for neuter, and C for common gender. So firstly we will discuss what is masculine gender. So you will listen me very carefully. I am giving you the definition of all the 4 genders. So students, in English, gender is divided into 4 types. First is masculine, second is feminine, third is neuter, and fourth one is common. Now we will discuss all the kinds of gender one by one. What is masculine gender? So students, what is the definition of masculine gender? Nouns that refers to male are called masculine gender. Suppose that boy, king, man. Now feminine gender, nouns that refers to female. Okay, these are called feminine gender. Suppose that, for example, girl, queen, etc. Now what is neuter gender? Neuter gender, there are some non-living things. Okay, they are non-living things, and these are called the neuter gender. Now last one is common gender. They are such nouns which are living things, and we cannot say that these nouns are male or female. So these nouns are called common noun. Now let's move to the exercise. You have to write M for masculine, F for feminine, N for neuter, and C for common gender. So first one is Alice. Alice, students, you can see Alice is a girl, so it is a feminine gender. Village is a non-living things. Now so it is neuter gender. Mother is a feminine gender, so we will write F. Child, we cannot say that child is a boy child or girl child, so it is a common gender. Next one is aunt is a girl. Okay, so aunt is a female, so it is a feminine gender. Father is a male, so it is a masculine gender. People, we cannot say that it is a girl people or boy people, so we will consider it as a common gender. Now house is a neuter gender. Sparrow, we cannot say that it is a he sparrow or is it she sparrow, so we will write a common gender. C. Soap is a neuter gender. Now artist is a common gender. So that's it for today, students. In the next video lecture we will discuss about the remaining exercise. Goodbye everyone.